You're probably wondering, why an Excel video? Aren't you a video game channel? Why, yes I am. However, I had a particular problem in Excel. I could not find the answer literally anywhere. I went to YouTube. I just wanted to fix my text alignment after my pivot table was updated, and there is not a single video that I have found that correctly answered my question. So, take a look at this. None of this answers my question. So I'm like, hey, might as well make a quick video about it. So, this is also wrong. Don't watch this. This is bait. Do this video. That's about like color format and random stuff. This is about text alignment. So, without further ado, if you are working in Excel and have a pivot table like me, here's my data. Here's the pivot table. And you go to, let's say you want to move this alignment, all that stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Custom alignment. Yeah, we're all about that. Look how nice that looks. But you go to save it, and you hit update, and you're like, oh no, now it's gone. So you right click on the pivot table, click options. Oh, I'll just preserve the cell formatting. That'll do it. That'll work. Right? Alas, it does not if you do it this way. So say you readjust all that. Oh, look at that. It's all readjusted. Hit save. Now it'll work, right? No, it will not. So to properly have your custom text alignment in Excel and a pivot table, so it doesn't mess up after update, you have to select the column header. This is how I do it. Go to Actions, select Enable Selection. Then you can do it. It's the weirdest thing ever. I hate it. But no, a lot of people have the same issue probably from my research online. So hopefully this video will save a lot of people some headaches, because this was not easy to figure out. All around, not a fun experience. But now that I know the answer, I was like, yeah, might as well share with people. So now that we did that, I'm gonna hit save. It's a good thing you do want this thing checked. You do want preserve cell formatting checked. That has to be checked. But now we went through the enable selection and did it that way. Now it'll keep it on update. So we're gonna go to data, we're gonna hit refresh, boom. Now our pivot table will keep our custom text alignment on update. This bugged me so much, I could not make a video about it. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. If not, well, it's out there.